everybody. Thanks for checking back in at One Night Strands Shears Ahead workshops. My name is Phil, and today I'd like to talk to you about a great topic. I think it's really important that you can use these tips to help you in the salon. Is the do's and don'ts that you do at your styling chair. And here we are. Thank goodness we got a styling chair. And this piece of tool right here is going to make you a lot of money if you use it in the proper way. Um, a lot of times I've noticed stylists that have especially a new client. This is mostly pertaining to new clients. Is that you don't want to sit the client in the chair and turn them away from the mirror. I said because a lot of times they're gonna go through a little paranoia. They don't really know your work. They don't really know you, and all of a sudden now you're blinding them on things that you can talk about, or them even being able to see your work because you got them turned away from the mirror. Now, when you turn them towards the mirror, this is a way that you can actually make more money at the chair. You can talk to them. They can see the damage of their hair more, which they can't if you got them away from the mirror. Another thing too is that you can be able to introduce them to products. You can also, when you're doing your technical work on their hair, that allows them to ask you questions. That allows them to you to be able to tell them the types of techniques that you're doing, and that tends to give you more value on your work. So, just the tips, like I said, keep your client in front of the mirror so they can see your work. And only thing I'd like you to do is click, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.